Ban nang penlong ye ki Shillong ki thau bikin tip ya ka le khoj le suba dag ba kim dei ban bret pathar ye ki jabo jaban henrei dei ban lum shi jaka bat sabret ha ki jaka penlang nyut ka sarkar langba ka district rural development agency lani ka DRDA Ri Bhoi district mentaka sngi kala pelai ba hadu lai poh nyau teli ki kali kit nyut ki belatim kum gi waste collection vehicles ki bade ki kali ba peniat dak boarding electric ya kini ki lai poh nyau teli ki kali kit nyut lasam syagi ar teli CNR di blok Ri Bhoi district ki bakenthop ya ar poh nyau teli ha Umling blok bat shipho teli ha Jirang blok ya kini ki waste collection vehicles la pelai ba da menteri rangba sarkar jela ukonrat ke sangma ha ka jing lang jong sumbut menteri rangba sarkar jela uba Preston Tensong ha ka jing lang project director ke DRDA Ri Bhoi district uraja brahma ki menteri sarkar rengkat ki MLA lembat ki nong ilam Shillong bat kum gedak jong jing sedang ban penteri kam bat ke jing IT ya kita ki kali la kawe ya kalama bat la peniat ya kita ki lai poh nyau teli ki kali
Umling block, sir. So I take this opportunity and this occasion as we move ahead on the Swat Bharat mission with the dedication that e-vehicle is one of the packets that it comes under this solid waste management where pollution-free vehicle has been used, sir, as a mandate from the government of India. Thank you, sir. I like my team to
One, two, three. Thank you. Good. One, two, three. So we'll flag off now. So which one is going to flag off? Who's going to drive this? Oh, he's driving, yeah. So, yeah. 2, 3. Okay. Chalo. We started already. Wait. This is not yet. Okay. It's a growth cup.
Noise free.
Yes. Oh. One, two, three.